Performing routine maintenance on your 3D printer will help to ensure that its functionality will remain optimal. We will start off by cleaning the 3D printer. Vacuum up all strings of filament around the 3D printer. Being that the hot end purges filament before each print, excess filament tends to accumulate. Now, using a dry microfiber cloth, wipe the frame to pick up any dust or particles. Be sure to get under the belts to ensure that the belt carriages travel smoothly. Next, we will lubricate the rails. Spray a small amount of WD-40 on a rag, then rub the rails, making sure that the grooves on the sides of the rails are getting lubricated as well. While lubricating the rails, check that the carriages travel smoothly, that the belts have proper tension, and make sure that any pieces attached to the carriages are still secured tightly. Now we will lubricate the Z-axis acme screw. Manually move the Z-axis motor all the way up by turning the black Z-axis knob clockwise, and then tighten the yellow Z-axis lock by turning it clockwise. Lightly apply white lithium grease directly to the Z-axis acme screw. Rub the white lithium grease up and down along the Z-axis acme screw. Loosen the yellow Z-axis lock by turning it counterclockwise, and then slowly lower the Z-axis motor by turning the black Z-axis knob counterclockwise while pressing your finger against the Z-axis acme screw to help spread the white lithium grease onto the Z-axis acme screw. Once the Z-axis motor has reached the bottom, wipe any excess white lithium grease onto the upper part of the Z-axis acme screw with your finger. Then reapply white lithium grease directly to the upper part of the Z-axis acme screw. Rub the white lithium grease up and down along the Z-axis acme screw, then slowly raise the Z-axis motor by turning the black Z-axis knob clockwise while pressing your finger against the side of the Z-axis acme screw to spread the white lithium grease onto the Z-axis acme screw. Inspect all hardware to make sure that nothing has vibrated loose. Tighten anything that has come loose. Inspect all 3D printed components and make sure that nothing has fractured or begun to fail. Once your routine maintenance has been performed, you are ready to print.